Hello. Hi, Freedom. You're okay. Hi, Pretty Bird. Look at your beautiful friends. Look at the friends, Freedom. Okay, everybody, we're at Feathered Friends Forever in Harlem, Georgia. About 1,400 parrots here. And they're acting a little bit aggressive. Probably excited to see their friend Freedom. Hey, Freedom. Freedom, look. Hi, Pretty Bird. I'll pan back a little bit so you can see the whole aviary. Okay, here's two birds here. So these birds live outdoors, and no humans have touched them in probably 6 years. There is a safety cage, and they're gonna get their seed in the background here. Hi, beautiful birds. All right, we're signing off live from Harlem, Georgia at Feathered Friends Forever.